Shivananda Sharma Memorial RV College Video Lectures and ISR Initiative. SSMRV College, one of the premier institutes run by the prestigious RV group of institutions, has come up with a unique initiative to engage students at the time of this unforeseen medical emergency caused by corona outbreak. As a socially responsible institution, we would like to connect academically with students to make good the losses caused. In this connection, I, Soujanya Department of English, would like to post a video on the topic academic writing. Please watch the video till the end and like, share with your peer group and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you. Introduction to academic writing. Academic writing or scholarly writing is a non-fiction work that is produced as a part of academic work. The tone, style, content and organization of academic writing may vary across different genres and different publication methods, and all the academic writing shares a relatively common truth. Some of the examples of academic writing are translation work, essay writing, research papers or articles, conference paper means seminar, there's a seminar organized and you present a paper, that all comes under academic writing. Academic journals, dissertation and thesis. Purpose of academic writing. The main essence of this academic writing is to put forth the knowledge and to understand of a topic in a persuasive or formal or objective manner. The rhetorical mode which is often in this type of writing are exposition and argument. It also adds value as an instructional kit or a tool to guide students in developing their cognitive thinking. It makes you more creative. It makes you involve more in research or to understand the paper. You're not just writing, you understand the topic, you evaluate, you research and then you produce the paper. So these are the purpose of academic writing. Types of academic writing. First, descriptive writing, which means there is a description of object, place or anything that you write, you describe about it. And then you have persuasive writing, which involves various argumentative topic, or you are being opinionated about the script or the topic. You involve into the topic and you argue on that. Expository writing. There's an investigation in the script, so there is investigation mode of writing, type of script. Narrative writing. It's kind of story writing method. So there is a narrative skills involved. So this is called as narrative writing. So these are the different types of academic writing. Thank you for watching and listening.